Happy day number 7. We're already in Coccay. We're gonna go have breakfast now, and then we're gonna go explore the island. Let's go have some fun in the sun. How you feeling, love?
Freezing.
Is it really cold?
Yes.
It's freezing cold.
Oh, this is not good.
This is not what we expected. We expected warm. What happened to the warm?
The warm does not exist. It is hot out there, cold in here.
I'm gonna just go into the freezing cold water in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, that sucks.
Won't work.
What do you got there?
Virgin mojito.
No, bro.
I'm thinking about sitting in one of the chairs in the water.
Dude, it's gonna be colder.
What do you mean?
Because you're getting hit with water in here.
My butt would be in the water.
Fair enough. He just got into the Bahama water.
It's cold because there's a cold front coming. Ah! And there's rain over there.
Yeah. It doesn't look like such a perfect day at Coccay.
Nope.
There you go. It's fun though.
It's cool.
Oh, that's cool. Oh man, what a day.
Yeah.
We got some rest after Coccay, but man, it was actually a lot of fun. I really wish it wasn't so expensive to do.
The water park?
Yeah. It's only like 5 slides or something like that. And
It takes 6 slides and...
But we have 3 on the boat.
Well, 5 if you include the abyss.
Yeah. This is truth. But we didn't end up going to the water park, but we did go to the beach, and we did enjoy the really cold pool.
Yeah, so they had a freshwater pool. It's supposed to be, I think, the largest freshwater pool in the Bahamas.
Is it?
I don't know what the claim is. It probably is. I'm probably wrong. I'm not sure.
It was a big pool.
It was a very big pool. A very cold pool. Very cold pool.
We did that. We had a good time. We got back to the boat, and we napped it out a little bit.
Yeah, we spent hours in the sun. There was no escape.
But we feel good now.
Yep.
So we just finished packing more or less the room. So the cruise is coming to an end, but we'll be in Orlando tomorrow.
So at least it's a benefit. Apparently it's gonna be cold, so we're going from the hot heat into the cold.
But at least we got used to the water, so we're used to the cold. It was really cold.
It wasn't getting any better.
No, so
I had a lady with me.
You did. Yeah, it was really funny. I just kind of jumped in there and I just threw myself in there because I knew it was just, I was the only one who was gonna get done.
Nope, I had a lady. we did it together until the last step.
So all we really have to do now is go eat and just try to enjoy the last day. There's not really anything really going on in the boat.
It's like little dance clubs and stuff like that, which is something we're not. I mean, you can bust out your moves.
I got the moves, man. Better than last cruise.
Yeah, it's true. But no, we can just go eat, walk around, have more coffee.
Yeah, we really enjoyed the coffee. Look. We got some ceviche, some mackerel, and some skirt steak, mushroom, pork belly, skewers, mahi. We got some freshly made, what's it called again? Hibachi?
Stir fry.
We got some fresh stir fry. How is it?
It is good. I think that's good. Yes, please.
So we just made it back to the room after we ate, walked around the boat,
said our goodbyes to everything.
Said our goodbyes.
Except for coffee, we haven't said goodbye to that yet.
Yeah, we still gotta go down there, but we're gonna start just packing up and getting ready for tomorrow. We get back to Miami, then we're on our way to Orlando.
Yay!
So we're just gonna finish up now and just get ready. But we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Good night.